Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with Tamara on Friday, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep it pretty short and sweet. Don't want to waste your time. Just want to show you a couple of tips you can use to increase customer flow and traffic to your website and really just gain more customers. So all I ask is at the end if you can shoot me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to hear your thoughts. So with that, I will get started. My first tip is to add content to your site. So, and content's anything that you can highlight, whether that be text or pictures. And, really typical for a website like yours, you're looking at anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. And really, that kind of depends on your competition. So, this is Calidus. They're in Henderson, but if you could see all their content on their site, they have quite a bit. And I use Henderson because that's one of the keywords that you're ranking in. Most of it has to do with your name, but then I shoot into the second page, um, and Electrician Henderson, Nevada. You guys are on the third page, ranked in the 22nd spot. So um, that's kind of what I went on. But so they have a lot of text. So really, you want to outdo them. So if they have 1,500 words, you'd want 2,000. But your site definitely has not enough content on the homepage, really. And there's two reasons really why you want a lot of content. The first is so that you can be found for specific keywords. So, say A-1Mechanical in Las Vegas, Nevada is a keyword that you want to rank for. Um, like you have here, I'd put it in the heading. I might put it in the text. I might save this image here as a keyword. So I probably wouldn't have it saved as it's probably going to be a certified logo or something like that. Nate certified. I would have that as a keyword that I'm looking to get to get ranked for. And honestly, I might save it as Calidus Electric depending on how much searches a month they get. So if I save this as Calidus Electric, even though it won't show on my page, Google will know that that's something that I potentially can be searched for. So I could start ranking on that particular keyword. So, and the second reason why you want a lot of content on your site is it's a ranking factor. It's not the only ranking factor for Google, but it is a ranking factor. And it's one of those things where if you see like Wikipedia, for instance, one of the reasons why Wikipedia ranks for almost everything they do is because they have so much content and so many pictures that it's almost impossible for them not to rank. So, it's really important to have that content on there. My second tip would be to optimize your Google My Business. So I pulled up your Google My Business, and you have 55 reviews, which is great, and a 4.1 star rating, which is a little low. Typically, what you like quality and quantity. So as many 5-star reviews as you possibly can get. Okay. Also, you want pictures uploaded, like I said, with their homepage that are saved as specific keywords that you want to get ranked for. Okay. So if you're looking for Electrician Henderson, Nevada, excuse me, for instance, you would want to save an image as that particular keyword. And then you want this on as many directories as possible. It's called citations. The more you have your Google My Business listing out there, the more strength and authority it gives. So really, those are the three things that in terms of your Google My Business to rank. And really, the reason why you want that is so. I put in Electrician Henderson, Nevada. These two companies are paying for Google Ads to be up top here. And then it goes right into the map pack and Calidus Electric. Again, 5-star rating, 87, 87 people. 4-star rating, 60 people. So you see, they have the most star rating and the best, and so they're ranked number one. Like I said, there's many factors that go into that, but that's one of them. And so, a lot of times people, depending on how people search, sometimes they skip the ads altogether and go to this map pack. Sometimes they skip both of them and go right down to the organic listings. But this just adds a way for you to get traffic to your site. Um, so that would be my second tip. My third tip would be just to strengthen your site. So this is the strength of your site right here. This is Ahrefs. This is a tool SEO specialists use. And I'm going to read this data for you, but this is the strength of your site here. And this is on a 0 to 100 scale. 0 being the weakest site, 100 being the strongest site. Okay. And the 29 is not bad. Typically, what you want is as high a number as possible, and you'd like to see a 1-to-1 ratio. So even though this 29 is not bad, this 8 is pretty low, and it's not the 1-to-1 that we're looking for. Okay. You have 64 websites or 64 domains that are sending 350 links back to your site. Okay. You're ranking in the top 100 and 706 keywords. You're getting 126 searches a month, and your traffic value is at $589. And what this is saying is I would have to spend $589 estimated by Google in Google Ads to get the same amount of traffic that you're getting. Okay. And I was looking at the type of traffic you're getting. So A-1Mechanical, you're killing it for your particular name, which is great. You never want to you never want to obviously not dominate your name. But then once it's outside of your name, you really drop to the second page in almost everything. And you're really not getting much in terms of traffic for anything else outside of your name. And then you have this electrician in Las Vegas. That's a buyer intent keyword. That's a good keyword to rank on. You're in the 10th spot. You're getting 21 searches, or where are you at? You're in the 21st spot. You're getting one search every 4 months. So, really strengthening your site. And if you look at Calidus, for instance, you see their site a lot higher. They're at that almost 1-to-1, not quite as much as you want. They are ranking for less keywords, but they're getting more traffic, and their traffic's more buyer intent. They're getting 2,500 traffic value a month. And then Southwest Electric, they're not doing much. So realistically, if you want to start getting this type of traffic, you really have to start building up the strength of your site. So those would be my 3 tips: add content, optimize your Google My Business, and really strengthen up your site. So if you need somebody that knows what they're doing that can help you, we'd love to help you. Either way, I'd love feedback. But with that, have a great day and God bless.